What was your experience like starting the Clarusway Cybersecurity Analyst program?
First, it was really scary getting into this because I heard that the cybersecurity analyst program at Clarusway was 6 months of extensive training. There was classes every day during weekdays, and I was scared. I was scared into getting into a program that I was not necessarily familiar with. But meeting with my teachers, who, by the way, are industry professionals who work in major companies. Meeting with my teachers, I realized that I was nothing to be afraid of because just like my classmates, we were all learning everything from the beginning, and our teachers really helped us get into every little bit of theoretical detail, the information that we need to know in order to pass the certifications that we need in the job market, and B, industry tools that we will be using in the job market, such as Splunk, IBM QRadar, CrowdStrike, and all that in detail.